Amazon rejected me. No, Staples rejected me. There you go. I'm getting on out of here. I'm gonna have to go back and resubmit again. I'm not sure what has happened, but when the person don't want to speak, what are you gonna do? Twist their arm to tell you? No sweat. A bike ride. Get double the pleasure. I'm huffing and I'm puffing. I'm trying to make my way home. Nah. I'm having a good time sharing the fun, and only the few will get it. Oh man, I had a scooter ride over, and yeah, they returned it. So let me get on out of here and put you away. Have a good day. Alright, I'm holding your hand on the scooter. Best way I can. I'm getting on out of here. Woohoo, baby!